Welcome to Global Recipe Studio. Today, we're making an amazing garlic butter steak. Let's begin. First, let's prepare our ingredients. We need fresh ribeye steak, butter, garlic, and rosemary. Now, we slice our ribeye into thin strips. This ensures the beef cooks quickly and stays tender in the stir-fry. Next, we'll slice our colorful vegetables, adding both crunch and vibrant color to the dish. Now, we heat our wok over high heat. Add a splash of oil and our fresh minced garlic to release that beautiful aroma. Next, we add our ribeye strips. We want to sear them quickly over high heat to lock in all those delicious juices. Now for the secret ingredient. We add butter, garlic, and fresh rosemary to baste the steak, infusing it with incredible richness and aroma. Now, we add our vibrant vegetables and our special stir-fry sauce. Toss it all together until everything is perfectly coated and the flavors meld. And there you have it, a perfectly balanced, delicious beef stir-fry. Simple, fresh, and full of flavor. Enjoy!